What's the meaning of action-packed? Action-packed. 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 The term action-packed commonly refers to something, such as a movie, book or event that is filled with a lot of action, excitement and adventure. It usually implies that the content is fast-paced, thrilling and filled with intense scenes. An action-packed story is often characterized by high stakes and danger, with heroic characters fighting against villains in epic battles. The result of an action-packed experience is that it leaves the audience feeling entertained, exhilarated and perhaps even breathless from the adrenaline rush. Overall, action-packed suggests a high-energy, thrilling and engaging experience that captivates the audience from start to finish.